Well guys, we're here at Pomme De Terre Lake once again. Hidden Valley Ramp. Gonna put in, see if we can catch a few crappie today. It's supposed to be a beautiful day. So we'll get the boat launched and we'll get out here and see what we can do. Here's the first fish of the day. Just a little bitty guy. That's on my new, I poured that last night. Green, kind of lime green. There you go, little guy. I aggravated that one enough, he come up and got it. There's first keeper of the day. On the old green, lime green, I guess you might call it, that I made. Made those last night. Well, I could fall in the lake, I guess. Got the net put over here where I normally keep it. That's tripped up there. First one for the live well. Got you, buddy. Little bitty guy. That was just a little bitty fella. Got him. Little guy. There you go, buddy. I think that's a keeper, but we'll check him. Yeah, he's about 9 1/4 or so. A little better than the last one anyway. Yeah, you're kind of a little guy. I'll let you go back. Gotcha, buddy. You're not very big, but okay, yeah. There you go, man. Oh yeah. Nice crappie. Buddy. Got you, buddy. Oh, hell yeah. Another one on the green. Got you, buddy. Good there. Oh yeah. There's a nice crappie. Nice fish. There's a good crappie. Another decent crappie. White bass. Nice white bass. We'll take him. Heck yeah. We'll take a white bass. That ain't no thing at all. Boy, he inhaled that thing too. Come on, open your mouth. Got that guy. Oh, there's a nice crappie right there. For Pommy. Pretty nice crappie for Pomme De Terre. I love watching them turn. Love watching them turn and hit that. That is so awesome. him out of there. Oh, hell yeah. Another little guy. I've got a lot of fish today. Got him right under the boat. Right under the boat. Got him. Nice crappie. Got you. Fine. Feels like a decent fish. Oh yeah. He can be number 15. Well, that should complete my stringer. I had one open deal here. Pretty sure that's all the opens I had. Yeah, 15 crappie, 1 white bass. Pretty good day on Pomme. Well guys, these is what I caught my fish on today. I made these last night. This one was what I started out with, and I caught a ton of fish on that today. And then these I impregnated with put garlic in, and those caught a lot. They've got a little bit of red flake. But I made all these green last night because that's what they've been hitting on. That's what I've been catching them on anyway up here at Pomme. And that's what put them in the boat today. Well guys, we got us another nice limit of crappie today up here on Pomme De Terre. Had some pretty nice ones today. I threw back a lot of the smaller ones. Got 1 white bass, 15 crappie, 1 white bass. Whoop. So I had a pretty good day.